Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to opt out of Constant Contact. All right. To opt out, you'll need to unsubscribe from the specific email list or cancel your account. Now, for individual emails, you can unsubscribe by clicking the Save Unsubscribe button, which is usually located right here onto the email from Constant Contact. Click on it, and here we have the unsubscribe button. And at the very bottom, we also have the unsubscribe button or link. All right, just click on either of the two. And once done, you'll be redirected to a page to confirm that you want to unsubscribe from future emails from a sender. Now, another option to opt out, for example, you wanted to cancel all or your whole Constant Contact account. All right, so the step for that is first, go ahead and go to the three dots right here at the bottom left besides your brand. All right, and click on Settings. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead over to Billing. Make sure that everything right here is canceled. Okay, and once done, go ahead and call Constant Contact support. All right, it says here if you wish to cancel your Constant Contact account, you can do so by calling the support team. All right, US and Canada right here, 855-229-5506, UK 0808-234-0945, and outside of these countries, we have +1 781 472 8120. All right, just go ahead and give them a call, say that you wanted to cancel your account or close your account, and after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.